Okay, for our activity number 8, after the structural layout, we'll be doing our plumbing and sanitary layout. So we're going to modify our layers again so we can make or so we will be able to make this layout more conveniently. Okay, so we have, of course, our water line pipes for the water line. As you can see, as I have discussed in our face-to-face meeting, we have the PPR pipe, the size, the valves, the location, the legends, and everything. We also have the sewer line, the septic vault. Again, the septic vault is 1.20 by 2.7, and the catch basins are zero point 0.5 by zero point 0.5. I also have discussed on how are we going to uh, locate our pipes accordingly for storm drain. Okay, hindi kasi pwedeng pagsamahin si storm drain tsaka si sewer since they serve different purpose. So let's go with our CAD. Okay, so this is already my CAD file. Now let us check for the several layers to add. Okay, we will be adding a layer for the drain line. This is for the storm drain and the one coming from the shower and from our laundry and kitchen sink. So we have the color 70. Uh, Line type is hidden and line weight is 40. Okay, and we also have the plumbing layout. 253 is the color. Line type is continuous. Line weight will be 0.05. Manipis lang po siya. Kasi we will be converting the floor plan, the walls, the doors into a thinner line weight as we need to emphasize more of the pipelines with this one. Okay? And you also have to set a layer for sewer line or the sewer line kung saan po nakadugtong yung water closet natin papunta sa septic vault. We have color number 52. Line type will be phantom. Line weight will be 0.40 also. Anyway, I guess we're good with that. So, we have to double click on the water line. Sorry, water line will be color 121. That's continuous. That's 0.4 also. And we have to double click this one, water line, to set as our current layer para pag nag-draft tayo, sa kanya siya pupunta as current layer. Okay? So, before we do this, punta tayo dito sa my floor plan. Yan. Okay? I'm going to copy this, unlike sa manual kasi we have to redraw everything. So with this one, we will just be copying a part of it kamukha dun sa structural. And we need to do that with the help of our layers. So I need to turn off some layers from AR01, AR02. Hold on. Yan, off natin. Pag ganun siya. Should be water line. Yan. AR02. Not the hidden, I'm good with that. 3, okay lang yan. No, not 5. Do not turn off dimension, do not turn off door. Let's turn off our furnitures. Yan. And do not turn off hatch, but let's turn off text. Yan. Okay. So I guess we're good with that. So we click somewhere here. And then we type CO to copy. Make sure ortho is on. Zoom out. So we pick from here down there. So make sure everything is fully selected. So click. Pag merong part na hindi gano, or para sure na selected po lahat ng mga dapat ma-select, pwede nyo siyang ulit-ulitin. Okay? Once you're done, you just have to press enter. And base point, we can just basically click here and drag it somewhere dito. Yan. And enter. Okay? So, pwede na po nating i-off yung mga turned off layers. So, pakita ko lang. Okay. So, click the bulb icon to restore the visibility of the objects on their turned off layers. Okay. There you go. Just need to copy this. Yan. Copy ko lang po. Okay. And I'll just snap here. Yan. Quadrant dito. Okay? Hindi na pala dapat nasama to. I'll just delete it. Yung section line na ginamit ko. Okay, so we're good with that. Pati yung hatch, I want to delete them. okay. But if you want to retain, pwede naman, okay? Anyway, I'll just be doing this thing. Look, hindi ko sasama si Rufus. I'll just be selecting this part. Yan. Okay, so yung part lang po na yon. Tapos, punta ako dito. Ililipat ko siya ng layout, plumbing layout. I'll just be clicking on the name. Yan, there you go. Then escape. Okay? Kasi mas manipis siya. Yung property line, okay din naman na mag-i-stay siyang ganun. Kasi, at least, you know the constraints of your pipe laying. Okay? Although, on some cases, yung iba, nilalagay siya sa manipis. Okay lang din. Okay? So, you already have this and we have to copy it because we will be using the same layout for sewer naman. So, dito na lang sa gilid. Tansyahin nyo na lang. Huwag masyado malayo para kasya sa viewport or sa A3. Now, dito tayo. Naka-on si water line. Might as well. Let's check. Okay. So, I believe tinanggal ko yung mga dimensions sa baba. Okay, tsaka sa gilid. So, okay lang natanggalin yung sa gilid. At hindi rin naman maganda na at tanggalin lahat sila because for the purpose of estimating your pipe lengths, okay, mas maganda kung may portion na natira. Okay? So, yan. Dito naman, kaya tinanggal natin yung dito is para magkasya siya sa paper. But, if you're going to ask me, mas maganda na walang binabawasan sa dimension. Kasi nga, pag nag-estimate, malaking tulong po na mayroong mga dimensions or sukat. Okay, anyway, I'll just be typing an L somewhere here. Yan. Okay, kung gusto nyo siya medyo iusog ng konti, yung hindi siya gano'n nakadikit sa sa column, probably somewhere here. Yan, I'm good with that. Okay, then I'll just be clicking banda dito. Okay, and another one here. Okay, and somewhere here. This is easy. Madali lang naman si waterline. Okay, just like what you see here. Then I'll just be creating lines. Okay, snap ko lang sa center. A circle, C enter. Medyo napalayo to. Adjust ko lang. Yan. Pag na masyado malayo. So, C. I'll snap dun sa gitna. Probably at 0.05. Let's see. Baka masyado siya Okay, we're good. So, H. Select. Just look for yon. Solid. Then, close. Okay? Then, let's just copy this. 1, 2. And snap. Snap midpoint, snap midpoint. Para medyo masyado siya malaki. Okay. Maybe you can just maybe you can opt for a smaller one. Purahin natin. Sorry for that. C 0.025. Sorry. Yan. That is quite fine. Age, select. Make sure it's also solid. Yan. Click. Tama na yan. Okay. Then, you just copy this one dito. Kung gusto niyo siyang masiusog pa sa wall, pwede din naman po. Kasi alam naman ng tubero yung gagawin kahit na move sila forward. Okay? Then, another one here. L. I'll snap on the midpoint. Yan. Somewhere here. I can just simply extend this one. Okay? And copy natin to. CO. I'll snap sa center. Okay. Hindi ko na siya ganong masyadong dinedetalye or binabagalan because we have been using this command since activity 1. Okay? But if you want to slow it down, you can just simply modify your play speed. Okay? And I'll just snap somewhere there and ayun. Make sure auto track is on. So, click. Okay? So, very good. Back there. Dito naman tayo sa may we can also copy this. Yan. Snap dito. And I can snap here. Yan. Banda dito. Pwedeng i-off si ortho para matrack natin to. Yan. Something like that. Okay? And, wait. Let me check. Yeah. I also have a pipe pala here. Okay? So, somewhere dito. Yan. Okay? And maybe I can just copy this line. Click. Snap there. Snap here. And copy the circle. And copy that again. Click, click, and enter. Click ako dito. And I'll just click from here. I'll just hover lang ako, and make sure o track is on. Okay, hover lang ako, then ibaba ko lang siya ng konti. Yan. And I'll snap somewhere here. Masyado attach yung ano. So somewhere here na lang. Yan. Then we can just click this line, click the grip, and snap to perpendicular. Then escape. Yan. We're actually good, except for the hose bib. Okay, so I can just draft a line here. I'll snap this, or sorry, I'll track this one. Okay, and click doon. So no particular dimension, but wag naman masyadong mahaba. Just enough lang. Yan. Then just copy the circle. Okay, you can snap sa quadrant or center and snap here. Okay? And dito tayo, doon tayo sa may yan, sa gate valve and sa check valve. Okay? So let's see. Hiram muna tayo ng text dito. Yan. Can click, you can control C, zoom out, balik dito, and control V. Double click that shower. Okay, so you can just simply select that and snap and move it. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang i-track dito. Tapat nyo lang. Tapos, baba yun ng konti yung cursor. Dahan-dahan lang. Then, dun pa lang kayo mag-click. Okay? Then, you can also select this, enter. Or sorry, you can CO, enter. Select this, enter. You can get the quadrant, click, click, and click. So, that's WC. Select. This one is lavatory. Okay, you can select this and control V here, and another control V here, and WC, enter, escape, control V ulit, double click, that's show for shower, and control V, click natin banda dito, double click, that's AWM for automatic washing machine, then escape, another control V dito banda, double click to change the contents, that's L tab or laundry tab, enter, enter, and isa pang control V dito banda naman, double click, that is KS for kitchen sink, enter, enter, and zoom out, o dito tayo, control V ulit to paste, double click, that's HB for hose bib, so diniscuss ko na kung anong purpose niyan, enter, enter, and another one here. Maybe you can select this one and lengthen a little more. Make sure na naka-on si ortho pag hinila nyo siya. Control V. This is the GV. Enter. Control V ulit. Somewhere here is your CV. Enter, enter. Okay. Hilahin natin to ng konti. Escape. Control V. From water supply. There you go. Harem tayo ng ito. Control C and Control V. Yan. MA, enter, select this, and inherit niya dito para pareho sila ng layer. Okay. I'll just simply M to move, select, enter. I'll snap on the end point and dito sa dulo. Okay. Maybe you can just move this one a little lower. Yan. Para hindi siya nag-overlap. Escape. You can select this a little, you can select this and click this grip here and just maybe drag it a little, something like that, and escape. Or kung gusto siyang simpleng arrow lang, walang problema. Okay? And REC, just click 1 and 2, L enter, 1, 2, L enter, 1 and 2, enter, and trim, TR, click, click. Okay? And Control S, maybe you can try to G to group, G, 1 and 2, enter, and click this one, click natin dito, papunta dito, and click mo ulit banda doon, taas ng konti, yan, and copy, CO, select, enter, click sa gitna, drag a little, okay, click, and escape. Pwede mong i-move ng konti ito. Okay? pag lumilitaw yun, you can press F3 to turn OSNAP off. Yan. So, walang ganong kontrabida. You can move anywhere else. Okay? So, click escape. Then, you can do TR to eliminate the excess lines. Yan. And of course, do not forget the quick save. Okay? Just have to stretch this a little. S, enter. 1 and 2. Enter. Make sure ortho is on. I'll just grab here. I'll just snap dun sa sorry. In-off ko pala si snap. So I can also click this one or also F3. And click this midpoint. Ibaba ko lang siya ng konti. Yan. And create a circle. Pick dito. Lagyan natin siya ng 0.25. Enter. And TR. And click. And select this. Control C. And Control V dito. Okay, double click, that's M for meter, enter, enter. So, select natin to. You can click the grip on the center of the text. And yan. Makikita nyo merong lilitaw na cross. Ayun. Doon yung snap. Sakto siya sa center. Okay, so I'll just escape. We're almost good. We just have to click this one, Control C and Control V ulit. Okay, and double click, that's 1/2. Percent C for diameter. Lagyan natin siya unit of measurement. That's 1/2 inch. Space, PPR pipe. Enter, enter. And maybe you can type QP, enter. Select this, enter. You can change the rotation to 90, enter. And escape. Select. Move natin ng konti dito. Yan, okay? We're almost good. So, I can also Control C that. Dapat pala, ko muna. And click. I should have not rotated it first pala. Anyway, QP, select ko lang to. Enter. 0 lang po ulit. Okay? So, select. And just move it a little lower. And escape. So, we're good with the water line. I just have to check if baka may na-overlook ako. Yeah, the pipes are okay. They are labeled. Pwede nyong i-copy ito doon. Okay? So, click Control C and Control V. On some cases, it's more convenient to use the Control C, Control V. But, meron mga situations wherein you need to do the copy command. Okay? So, I'll just zoom out. We're good with the water line. Dito tayo sa may sewer. So, from here, we select sewer line on its name to set it current. Unahin natin yung storm drain. So, we need catch basins. Ayan po. They are located on columns. But we may vary kasi hindi naman tayo para-pareho ng plano. Yan. Okay, then we connect our pipes or our catch basins with a line. Okay? So, ayan po yung material. 4 inches diameter orange PVC pipe. So, let's see. Dito tayo. REC. I'll just pick somewhere here. 1. And type at 0.5, 0.5. Enter. Zoom out. I'll just click this one. Control C and paste it here. Control V. Double click. That's CB. Enter, enter. And I'll just copy that one CO. Select, enter. Snap here. And snap here and another one here. Move ko to. Okay. Then let's just connect those. 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Okay. Control C. Control V. Let's paste it somewhere here and double click that. That's 4 inches percent C. Diameter orange PVC pipe. Enter, enter. Okay. We're good. Let's copy this. CO. Select. If you want to do a window selection, pwede din naman po. So, I'll just have to press enter when everything is selected. So, we click on this endpoint here and drag it. And there you go. Okay, enter. Pwede natin siyang ibaba. Yan. and escape. Eto pa pala, baba natin ng konti. Yan, and escape, Control S to quick save. Medyo nag-ano siya dito. Let's move it. Move ko lang. Yan. Move natin. There you go. Then you can just simply click and drag that to stretch. Yan. And escape. You can click this text and move it somewhere here. Yan. We're almost good. And eto, lagay ko ng konti dito. Bakit? Because I need to specify my line here going to the street drain. So I have that. I should also have L. Click the midpoint and connect it here. Yan. So that's Control S. And we need to specify kung ano yung pipe na to, kung anong gagawin niya. So this one is to existing drain line. So we press escape, we copy CO, select, enter. We click this endpoint here, lagay natin dito, click escape, and RO, select this, enter. We click it and we type 180 para mag-flip siya vertically. And you can click this one here. Okay, click the text and move it a little upwards. And again, that is to existing drain line. Double click to existing drain line and escape, and Control S to quick save. You can also click this one, Control C and Control V here. Okay, we can also do MA. Select natin yung text dito and click natin to. Yan. Since we also need a 90-degree orientation for the text. You select this, you click the grip, and you move it near the line. Okay. That's it. And we do Control S. Next. We will be connecting our pipes or our drain from the shower. Yung drain ni automatic washing machine, yung drain ni lavatory, tsaka yung drain ni L-tub. Okay? Yun nandito, yung sample. Ito siya. But probably we can also go for another one. Let's see. So, ito, pwede siya dito. See, for example, I'm going to draw a line. So, I'm going to click here, banda dito. Yan. Click. Sorry. L, I'll just snap here, move it a little here, and REC 1 and 2. M, select, enter, click sa midpoint, snap dun sa endpoint. Okay? And I'm going to copy that, CO, select ko to, tsaka yun, enter, snap here, we click dito, and RO, select, enter, we click this one. Let's see. Let's type negative 135 degrees. Ayun. Pwede din po yun. Okay? Then I just have to trim the excess. Okay? And I can also copy 1, 2, enter. We snap here sa midpoint and snap dito. Enter. Okay? And EX, enter, click, and enter. Extend from the word itself. Okay? So, anong ginagawa niya? We lengthen lines according to the object nearest. So, ibig sabihin mag-extend or hahaba siya from there. Okay? And we copy another one. Or probably just this. Control C, Control V. Okay? Actually, pwede siyang straight na lang. But, it will be better if naka 45 degrees siya. Okay? So, let's see. L, I'm going to click this one. Straight line lang. Click. RO. Select, enter. I click from here and magtatanong siya ng rotation angle. Let's type negative 45 degrees. Yan. And EX ulit. Enter. Let's click that line so it can adjust or lengthen from the nearest object na gusto natin siya mag-extend or mag-connect. Okay? So, that's Control S. Let's copy that. Control C, Control V. Let's type, this one is FD or floor drain. Enter. Escape. Control V. This one is AWMD for the drain of your automatic washing machine. You can also select this, Control C, Control V. That's L tab, enter, escape, Control V. This one is double click, KS, enter, enter. And you need to label your pipes here, because if this main pipes are 4 inches, yung mga branches, they should only be 2 inches na lang. Okay, so here is the sample. Okay, so just do that specification. Okay, let's see. We're good with that. Paki-label na lang po. So hindi na siya 4, 2 inches na lang. Okay, this one here, let's copy this, Control C and Control V. Yan. And probably we can move this one a little upwards. Escape, L, enter. We snap on the midpoint to perpendicular. Yan. Enter. Storm drains, hindi sila ganun maselan as compared to sewer. Okay? You can also connect the lavatory to dun sa storm drain. But I will be connecting mine sa may sewer. Okay? Either way, pwede naman po yun. Again, this is also 2 inches diameter lang. Probably can Control C this one. And you can, click Control C and Control V. And double click. You can change the 4 to 2. Enter, enter. Okay? Since branch lang naman lumilitaw to. So that's Control S. And let's go to the sewer kasi we're done with the storm drain. Okay, so let's see kung saan siya located. I have located mine dito sa labas. Okay, anyway, let's type REC. I'll just be picking somewhere here and type at 2.7 comma 1.2, enter. Okay, then I'll just need to hold on, copy. I need to copy this one here and this one here, enter, and maybe I'll snap dun sa intersection, and probably I'll go somewhere here. Yan. Okay, and just move it a little up there. Okay, and wait, let's double click this one and type not convenience salad, that's clean out. Okay, I just have to delete this, type REC. Okay, no specific measurements, I'm just trying to parang nag-a-assume lang. Yan, there you go. Okay, then I'm going to rotate this one, select, enter. I'll click there, that's 45 M. You snap midpoint to endpoint. Okay, para medyo malaki ata siya. Anyway, that will do. And I have to see. Yan, I have to click this. Medyo napahaba siya, so click there. Okay, and I'll snap L dun sa midpoint and ilabas ko siya hanggang dito. Okay, so we're good with that. I'm going to move this one a little here, and I'm going to copy, select the text, select this series of 3 rectangles, enter. I'll snap dun sa midpoint and I'll snap dun sa dulo, click. Actually pwede siya dito sa no, I guess that's better, mas okay nang diretso siya. Ulitin ko, we have 2 pipes for ejecting our waste. Okay, yung sa sewage nang gagaling sa water closet, that is from that should be connected to the sewer line. Ito, okay, yung mga nanggagaling sa catch basin from the downspout and gutter, connected sila sa storm drain. Okay, so yung sa lababo natin, connected rin sila sa storm drain. Okay, yung sa water closet, sa sewer line po siya. Okay, I'm trying to emphasize that because I have seen students na kinonect yung water closet nila sa storm drain, which is not. Kaya nga separate si storm drain kay sewer line because they carry different type of waste. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to fix this one. That's RO. Select, 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 enter. We click on the midpoint and let's type negative 45. Okay? So there you go. And let's Control C this one. Select, Control C, and Control V. Click. Same material also. You can move it a little downwards, somewhere a little closer to the pipe. Okay. And let's copy. Just going to copy this and this. Enter. I'll just click onto that and click dito, click dito. Yan. So this is lavatory. Enter. Click this one. This is water closet or WC. Enter, enter. Okay. And may excess po. So you can just simply click that one. You can trim. You can also simply shorten that line with your grips. Escape. EX, enter, you click this line until it reaches this object, okay? Then escape, and of course don't forget the quick save. And before I forget this one, that's shower. Okay, we're almost good. Same thing po, this is only a branch pipe for the sewer line. So lagyan niyo na rin po siya ng yan specification na 2 inches diameter orange PVC pipe, okay? So, hindi ko na siya ituturo. Alam nyo na yon. And, last one. Dito tayo. Okay? Maybe we can just mirror this too. So, MI, enter, and click, enter. And I'll just move this one. Yon. Dito banda. Yan. And EX 1, 2, 3, 4. So until it reaches that object. So same then, M, select, 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 enter. I'll snap dun sa endpoint. I'll snap on the center. And hindi siya umabot. So that's another EX. Click, enter. Okay. We're almost good. You just have to press escape and Control S. And before I forget, the septic vault. So, saan siya mag-e-eject? Okay? So, I'm going to click this one, Control C and Control V. Kung gusto yung sentrong-sentro siya, you can click the text. You can click the grip on the center and type M2P. Enter and snap on both endpoints from here to the opposite click. You double click that, that's S.V. Enter, enter, and Control S. Okay? And we just need to copy this one. CO, select, 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 enter. We click somewhere here. I'll be turning ortho off. And I'm going to click, no, I'm not going to click this one. I'm just going to hover. Tatapat lang po. And slowly I'm going to move my cursors on the left side and click escape and palitan natin yung text to existing sewer line. Double click this. Ito na lang po yung palitan nyo. This is sewer. Enter, enter. And maybe we can stretch it. S, enter. 1, 2, enter. We snap on the end point going to the midpoint. There you go. We're done. Easy peasy. Maybe we can just move this one a little closer to the water line. Ortho on. Yan. Okay. So that's it. Control S. Let's go to layout. Going to copy. CO. 1 and 2. Click. You can move somewhere here. Yan. Okay. Going to erase this E. Enter, click, and you have this existing viewport. I'm going to snap or maximize it until doon sa other end. Then double click inside, and where's my, yan, there you go. Okay, so that's Z, enter 1/100 XP, enter. Okay, just fine. Okay, so okay lang palang hindi tinanggal yung dimension sa gilid. But yun nga, there are times wherein if the paper is is quite crowded at ayaw mo nang gumamit ng second sheet, pwede mong tanggalin yung iba. But On my personal drafting, hindi ko ine-eliminate yung mga dimensions. Kompleto sila because they are again reference for creating the bill of quantities or bill of materials. Na, going to double click outside, going to move this somewhere bandang gitna, double click that. That's water line layout. Enter, enter. No need to change the scale. I'm just going to move it a little here. There you go. And I'm going to move that, or sorry, just going to copy this midpoint, banda dito. Yan. Double click, sewer line, layout and storm drain, something like that. So, ayos na lang po. Ayan, okay? And, we need to find a place for the legends. Okay? So, ito po yung legends. Naka-reflect din po siya dun sa PDF. Ayan. Kung hindi siya magkasya, you can modify temporarily the title block. Say, yun sa akin, minove ko siya dito. Medyo binanda ko dito to. Kasi nag-overlap siya with this. So, it's up to you. Just kindly fix it. Okay? So, ito po yung kalalabasan niya. Or, kung gusto ninyo, you can double-click this one and move somewhere there. Double-click outside. You can click this. Okay, paraanan nyo na lang po kung paano magkakasya yung mga legends. Okay, you don't necessarily have, it's not necessarily to copy it this way. Might as well, tignan natin siya. I'm going to move this. Yan. Move. Or no. Let's copy that instead para naka-retain yung original. Okay? Bonus na lang to pero dapat alam yung gawin. Okay, just going to move this here para pa-portrait na lang siya. So, kasi, ano ba tawag dito? You might be having hard time na hindi siya pantay. Yan. Yusin ko na lang. Okay, and let's move this one. There you go. Medyo napahaba siya. That's it. Kung gusto nyo ayusin pa yon pwede. Tapos ito, I'll just click onto that and I'll snap here. No, hindi ko siya kiklik itatapat ko lang. Then move a little upwards. Okay, and click. And select this. Click the grip sa gitna. Hover. Alalayan pa gitna. Click. Double click to change the content. That's legends. Enter, enter. So, let's see on how it will fit. So, I'm going to, no. Dito tayo pala sa kabila. Yan. Going to model. Probably, I'll be moving this one. M1 and 2. Enter. Make sure ortho is on. Then, I'm going to click here and slowly guide it pa kaliwa. Click. Yan. Balik sa layout. Okay. This is the one that I did. Parang iba ata. No. Ito. So, M. Yan. Move a little. There you go. Naiwan yung mga letters. Okay. M. And click. Enter. Click. Just move it a little slowly. And click. You can also stretch this. S. 1. And, sorry. S, ayokong tamaan yung dimension. Yung mga bubbles lang. Click, enter. Can snap quadrant to center. Yan, para makatipid ng space. S, 1, and slowly. Click, enter. Quadrant to center. Okay, so tignan lang natin siya on how it will fit. Okay, let's see. Okay, yan. Click. And double click. Oh, sorry. I-adjust siya dito banda. Yan. You can also move the text, of course, para hindi sila masakit sa mata na hindi sila organized. Okay? We're good with that. So, Control S. Going to click here. Then, viewport. MV. 1 and 2. Double click inside. Hanapin ko si Legends na nakapatayo. Okay, just right. Okay? So, ulitin ko. So, paano gagawin pag ganon? Yun. I'll just, is, scroll up my scroll wheel. Then, ginit na lang natin. Okay? And you can also type Z, enter. And you can pick 1 and 2. So, yun yung mag-fit sa viewport. Okay? So, we're good. You double click outside. You type LTS. Let's correct it. Make that 0.005 probably. So, ayun. Nag-adjust na po sila. Okay? Sorry. I also have created pala a separate, wala si storm drain. Drain line. Ayun. Sorry. Nalagay ko yung, sorry. Nalagay ko siya sa sewer. Sa may drain line pala siya. Okay, kindly correct that. My apology. So, MA, click. Although, personally, isa lang naman po yung line type na ginagamit ko doon. But, it's also okay na meron silang separate na, layer and properties also. So, escape. Balik tayo dito. Yan. And, ayusin natin. LTS 0.001 probably. Yan. We're good. Okay? So, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung LTS before converting it into PDF. Okay? So, that's Control P. Make sure printer or plotter is set to DWG to PDF. Naka-monochrome ito. Paper size. Kung wala si A3 dyan, hanapin siya sa baba. Okay, click window. Then you click two opposite points, 1 and 2. Okay, landscape. Apply to layout. Preview. Okay, that's it. We're done with that. This one is medyo pakiayos na lang po. Okay, so, ito, nagkaka-problem tayo dito sa may, I had encountered problem kasi with my hidden line, but probably sa inyo reflected yung phantom line dito sa sewer. Maybe I'll just fix that, but sa akin lang naman mostly siguro, pero sa inyo probably hindi. But anyway, this is it. So, you do plot. So, you know the drill after that. So, you just have to save it with your name, with the file name of the exercise. Okay? So, I'm going to escape. And of course, isama nyo na rin yung subject name. Then, it will be turned off on Classroom. Just wait for my further announcement regarding the calendar of submittals from the hard copy of the midterm plate until to the last one, which I will be discussing this coming week. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you, everyone.